Hello, mega love, mega shout out. Welcome to Pure Stone Heart. And for today's video, guys, again, we will do my favorite thing here in the YouTube, my videos. So again, we will do the unboxing. I ordered another pair of shoes 2 days ago, and now just arrived in our office, and now we will do for the unboxing. Okay, I have the scissor here with me. And yes, once again, I ordered this one in my most favorite online shop here. So yes, this is a 2 pair of shoes because they have sale, and this is not that expensive. It's a sale price. Yes, and I love this one. So let's open, and so excited because I love this color. I saw this one, and I hope this is what do you call this one? It arrives the same as used. Okay, guys. Yes, there you go. It opens. Yeah. This is Calvin Klein. Yeah, Calvin Klein. And yes, I'm so excited, guys, because I love the color when I order this one. Okay, so ta-da, ta-da, yeah, there you go. I love the color. The color is gray. I guess gray, yeah? Yeah, medium gray. So look at that one, guys. And the size is 9. Yeah. I love this lace here. It says Calvin Klein, the color, the cloth here. Yes. This is I took a 9. Yes, that is the 9 size. I love the color for this one. Yeah, the Calvin Klein. The design itself, guys, is very what do you call this one? Very detailed, and what I love this one is the color, the design at the back, and there you go. So excited for the other one. The other one is the same, guys, Calvin Klein. The same Calvin Klein, the same, but this one is 9.5. The size is 9.5. So I believe, yeah, but this is, I choose the different color for this. Yeah, there you go. And the color is, ta-da! The black color. There you go, guys. Black color. It's a black color for this one this time. So yeah. So 9.5 is big, of course. It's bigger. I also love the color, guys. How black, the shine, the combination, and the Calvin Klein itself there. It shows that, oh my goodness, It's very, 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 very nice. The design itself, guys, it's very perfect. It's very, the black, see, the black color of this one is just very amazing, and it shows very, very nice color. So I have the gray color, gray collection, and this is for the black collection. And there is white. I wanted to order also the white color, but it seems that it's too different, guys, now. It has a different color, but wait, this is really the part of this gray. No, I guess this is a okay, but it shows. I thought this one is part of the design, but it's the carton. I thought it's part. And there you go. I have a 2 pair of shoes for yeah, and I love the color for this one, guys. It's a really nice color, and there you go. I have my two different pair of shoes. Yeah, it's the same brand but different sizes and different color. So comment down below, guys, of what color you like also, and it shows. But for me, it's both. For me, it's both colors are very nice. Yeah, it's very nice, and I love collecting shoes, guys. You know, as far as my video is concerned nowadays, I used to have a unboxing. I love the color, also the gray, and I can't imagine how I will look. What's the looks when I will wear for this one? Yes, this is so amazing. This one also. But anyway, thank you so much, and I hope you will like my videos. For those who did not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and once again, this is Pure Stone Heart. See you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye.